we'll guide you through how to crop in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop and load the project where you want to crop a clip. Once your project is open, navigate to the edit page where you can see your timeline at the bottom of the screen. Now, locate the clip you want to crop and click on it to select it. With the clip selected, move over to the inspector panel located on the top right side of the interface. If the inspector panel isn't visible, make sure to enable it by clicking on the inspector button. Inside the inspector, you'll see various options related to the clip. Scroll down until you find the CRTSIT form section. Here, you can adjust the crop parameters. You'll see options to crop the left, right, top, and bottom edges of your clip. Adjust these sliders to achieve the desired crop. As you move the sliders, you'll notice the clip being cropped in real time in the preview window. You can also enter specific values if you need precise cropping. If you're not satisfied with the cropping, you can easily reset it by clicking the reset arrow next to the crop section. Once you're happy with the crop, play back your timeline to ensure everything looks good. Remember, cropping is a non-destructive process in DaVinci Resolve, so your original footage remains unchanged. This gives you the flexibility to experiment without worry. That's it. You've successfully cropped a clip in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.